She leans in. Her body draws near. Arms wrap around you softly, naturally like your moment she's done 1,000 times. Name that fleeting seconds, man. It's nothing. Just a hut. It's just an gesture, a greeting, a goodbye, a mont. That will what if I told youth haunt your spin to it, at one simple hug, can completely change how she sees you. Thought this ordinary moment cares within. Attack would he peep psychological storm that, Mossman fail it without a viralizing base. A hug to a man may be warmth. Bah! A woman a hug is a message a question, amazing. Silent invitation, no licks, know how to express in when she hugs. Is that just feeling your arms? She's sensing your confidence, is measuring your present, evaluating your come. She's subconsciously asking herself, do I feel safe in his arms, or do I feel his head grounded or grasping us aware of what this moment means? Or will he ruin it like every other guy thiverage? Man hugs back too quickly. Hickles nervously capatzer. Backlick sees a buddy K talks immediately after to fill Bootsalens Femble's power off the moment can when thought she'd forget him do infant boot thee rare man. The high-v value grounded demotional liate man responds, Tohuda Glakes, not just bet language, when he gets it right. She remembers Shim not just ash act, but as a mono made her body feel safe. Ace, a man whose arms didn't grow bubbled her daws, a man who still not stole her. You didn't thin thing, right? No, just be. She won't now, Weish. She'll say it out loud.
Oh, ...
Core play it. She'll crave it again. She'll tell herself it was just a hug. But deep down, her nervous system would let her forget it. Bootu weren't like Thais thought. You were a present. You were a stoic, who made her feel like Shocket finalist, top performing. ... And that thought makes a woman. Think of belong after of ... So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to respond to her hog like, yeah, high value, man with calm with mastery ... with present too, so that's next team a woman. Leans in shadows just hug you on walk away. She walks away wondering what just happened. Why she can't stop thinking, let's beg in welcome to Stoicherotics Wire. Don't chase women, track them through. Presence, power, and emotional precision today. We're diving in Orsama thing that seems small beautyeth, but a hog, not a kiss, not a date, not an hurrying conversation, just a hug. And yet that moment, barely 5 seconds long, hissed the potential to honor so strong in a woman's mind. Thought it lingers in her body for hours, days, even weeks. You see, Minari trained to look for big moments, grand gestures. It's the big conversations, physical alchemistry. But women a renagloa. Oreto feel a very thing in the settle. This light shift in your breathing, the quiet strength in your posture, the calm o' fewer hands, the energy that surrounds you like. Honora, whether it's serratic need and certain, or still grounded masculine one a woman hugs. Sue, she's not just engaging in physical contact. She's tuning into war essence, even if she's not doing it consciously usely. Her body's asking, is he strong without needing to dominate his? He the energy. Between this, or can immult into him, or do I have Vita hold myself together? If sincere is wrong, even silently, never hear from her again because of just forget the hug she forgot. But if your air energy is right, if you wear anterfot moment, with stillness instead set off stiffness, it's with curious Sidians. Off control with masculine aprosin instead of off performance, then something duping, shook goes from casual to chemical ... from simplato. Spiritual art, unforgettable, town forgettable. He walks away not formed by hat U-bot quiet lip-powered B. How you matter her feel shadows and tender standard logical libochi can stop thinking of booty. Daunt emotional lith of your arms calm in your chest, the moment I ailed her and rushed thee way. You let go first with confidence on it to stance that way your silence spoke more than words ever cowled. And best part stanks. It was her idea. ... She thinks you didn't even notice what you were doing, but you did because you are not average you. Understand the traction ice ambled in grand performances. It's born in quiet mastery. You understand that a HUD isn't just contact. It's a canvas for your masculine presence. And most of all, you understand that a woman doesn't want toy press. She wants to be felt. So Era tired of being the edgerette, Sarah stunned letting them pass without impact. And a fewer read, do the smallest gesture in its most powerful memorathon. Stay with them as I'm about to eye exactly how to respond to a hugging away thought. Makesher feels something grill without her saying a word. This is tear. Dorked. We dedreeked emotionally, but respond intentionally. Let's begin. Act. Receive the hug with Sobrin. Stillness leans in her arm, sub-APO, and her presence moves toward ears. Ain't where most men fail fetus bef where it begins. They react out fast, eager, nervous. They lunge in teeth as if they were waiting for permission Tofiel wanted. But a high-V value A man, a stoic man, didn't move instantly. Doesn't flinch, doesn't jump, and instead, it pauses just for a second, not to reject her, but to leather energy IX Jim instead of him reaching for it. ... The subtle piece speaks louder than anything. ... It says, it in chase connection. I allow yemholiality. I don't need this hug, but I'll receive it fully. This pause beckons the first crack in her emotional armor cause she's soothing them through tuck, but one you say restraint. You show, and in that meant what? A vonoing. Why Chef feels different, drawn and held not by her arm set, but be your calm point tonery hug. Don't just mirror it. When you'll find Lerna, don't just mimic her orgy. Let it do. You are not a mirror. You worth place your arms around her in a way that feels intentional, protective, and composed. Thought not trembling. Nuverking, ... just angered stillness Makayer. Feel like a moment could end. Boot yar runnerish to let it go. You radiate clinging. You're not desperate. You imply present. You're a calm and closeness, and women feel that. Contrast immediately based 99% of men, Arian juice in your physical affection. So when Joe hold her masculine ease, it becomes armament that lives inside her nervous system because your arms wear in just arms. They wear safe territory. They didn't mean anything for apparel. They said, I know how I am, Andy. Trust you to feel fat without men. That is difference between a forgettable, hugged, one beta wire memory. 3. Let Yorba speak first. It's louder than your words in the middle of fat. Hug when your body's sorry close. Squean just listening with her ears. She's listening with her sky in. ... Your breath is the volume knob on your masculinity. If you're shallow, quick, stiff in Yorlings, she feels tension. She senses anxiety. Sure gestures. He's relaxed, therefore I can't relax. Odd. Be a fay-tight. Your breath drops deep into your belly. When it slows, ... expands, ... comes. Her body mirrors automatically. Her nervous system trains. Your rhythm. And without a word, you've made her feel smithing. She rarely experiences Withmon. Grounded surrender. She can't name. She won't say out loud. 1. Shaw hugs you. Ender.ai starts sensing Toyer energy. Yub come unforgettably. Should Dan just feel a man? She felt safety without wetness, still without coldness, strength without Canrel. And in Thrividoff women, that combination is most mythical. For less the hug slightly bore her with ease. Not distancing the hug matters as Maka shoot starts. If you cling to longer shrieks off neediness, you drop away too quickly, screams discomfort. Daughter, so what do? Catcher slightly led to hold her. As long as he's engaged and conveniently began twice before she does, not with speed, not with tension, but with elegance. You give her something beautiful, anon. You'll walk away from it first, ... And in doing so, you triggered Thifman in intrigue. Why didn't he hold him longer? Did he feel that moment like I did? Did he choose toned it? Okay, now the Mr. Rabbins, because Mossman wold, cling to Fatic like it was re-riddle, but you let goalie as if you trust them. Will come again because off's kinned off. Man, hope creates them. That's snap rejection. That's emotional power and powers. Watch remembers 5 let Sayla die, echo of the connection don't rewind. It with word Shug steps back, Theer opens up again. This is where Averagio men panic, ... They speak. They joke. They nervously tried to keep the emotional current Alavond. Suddenly unplug. But you let settle. You didn't signethic away. You let Thuida the hog stay suspended between you like invisible smoke. And in that she feels the sure place theme brace in her. She wonders what you're thinking. And that created I severe of everything. You're not cold. You're just fooling out. Not to the air with noise. Your stillness says, I'm not afraid of closeness, Andy. I'm not afraid of stillness, though. I felt that meant. I didn't need to talk about it, and that makes her feel like she just shared something sacred, not small. 6. Compliment some things. It's not surface.lave. If you do speak, speak to her up. Don't compliment her looks. Don't flatter her. Let's compliment the experience. They say nothing like you carry calmness in your energy. Most people don't. That was most peaceful moment I've had today. ... You feel real. It's rare if these compliments bypass the mask. Balin in heart because they're not denatimpris. They're reflections off what you noticed. And for a woman, what is constant? Looked at but rara listen. That kind of comment can shake something awake inside her. She walk away wondering, how did he know that about me? Why do I feel like he touches something I hide from everyone? And that emotional finger. It doesn't fade. 7. Keep eye contact and longer, but with stillness, not seduction. When the physical partners keep the emotional thread alive, not by force, but by gaze. Don't stare, don't smirk, just see her as she steps back. Hold her eyes for 2 to 3 seconds. Longer than most men would, not with hunger, not with longing, but with still presence. Yura say, I'm not afraid. Tub her, I don't need to look away. I need to keep intimacy. The subtle, active ground makes the moment feel real, not just routine. And because Mosman look away quickly. Afraid of the closeness they just created, you become. Your meth contrast creation mystery, D2. Complaces Enokama's most important part that makes orb everything which. After you let go, you smile. You media contact. You move on to lead it softly, confidently, without choreography, like a trophy. You didn't revisit it. You don't ask about it. You don't replay it. You detach from it. Bekazeth stoic man doesn't need to follow a pin intimacy. He real connection lingers in its own. Okay. And that trust, that psychologic retroverser wild. Peak bios it means ya, trying to get something from her. You wear a simpler present while the mint existed. That makes you Morathon memorable. Imakasu. Unforgettable. If you've met it this far, you're Notovich man. You're not heroer. Quick pickup lines. You're a not chasing gimmicks. You're herb. You understand. Some Ming Moss men never even consider thought. Attraction. Descent happen in loud words. ... It happens in the quiet, meant in the way you breathe. ... In the way you hold stills with it. Needing to feel it in the way your spin not react when her body touches yours. You've just learned something that 99% of men overlook. Thought of Hudgeson. Just age sui ... It's aidist. It's a moment off emotional laucus. Rashi endurance of who you arrange salons and Ifu. Get that moment right without with faking. She will feel something she can text Lane but can never forget. Now, if you're the kind of man who wants to dive deeper into masculine, presence to emotional masteriento, theft psychology of feminine attraction, not for manipulation, but for authentic magnetism, then this is where a striker rocks, and just a kano. ... It's a brotherhood for men. Hawk stillness over chasing, power over panic, and meaning over noise. So, if this video spoke to you, if you felt something real, if you realize how much power exists in the smallest Quitzman between, and then don't just scroll away, tap that subscribe button. Hit full icon so you never miss what Massman will never learn. Leave a comment below. What moment in your life a media woman remember you, even after you say, no thing, because this isn't about hacks, it's about understanding your energy. I see your Andy, you master thought, why you won't need Tosh anything good gain, she'll feel it you'll remember. I didn't she wonder why Sean stopped thinking about you Dota Stewer rocks where it's the strongest. Man isn't it loudest but the most unshakable. Until next time. Stay calm, stay grounded, and remember sometimes but you let go I veery.